So Brock said he's getting effed.
Yep. As always, nothing new here.
Just typical Polaris.
Just typical bad luck.
Polaris.
Bad luck. She's cooked. At least the head is cooked.
So last time we, was it last September, we tore it apart and replaced the valve seals on it, and that was a temporary band-aid, apparently. There's more wrong to it than we thought.
The valve guides are shot, throwing the seals out, and then after I just tore the head down this time, the camshafts are shot, and then the cam bearings are all scored up, so the head's cooked. I gotta get a new head. And then it brings me to question the crank and the rod bearings, so I'm gonna tear it down. Plus I gotta put a new freaking timing chain in it, which that's like the first thing that goes in the dang motor anyway, so she has to come all the way apart.
Yep.
Unfortunately.
Not fun.
Nope, it doesn't have enough miles to even make sense.
It'll be built once we're done, but unfortunately, yeah. Someone, I think the first owner just neglected it pretty bad. I don't know. They must have, I don't know what they did.
He was some hick from Arkansas who had a bean farm.
He probably ran tractor oil in it.
AMS oil.
AMS oil.
AMS oil. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's any maintenance done to it, and half wonder if he drowned it at once, but whatever. You don't know half the time you buy it.
Hey, you don't know.
It was clean for what it was, and it was cheap, but it ain't cheap anymore. So whatever. I know it's solid when I'm done with it. So.
It'll be a racer when we're done.
Maybe. She'll have some billet pistons and station cams tuned. I don't know, I might throw something else in the mix. I haven't decided.
Supercharger?
No. I don't want to throw that kind of money into it yet. It's like a $5,000 kit.
Ugh.
I'll pause to put a turbo on at that point and smack all the 900 turbos.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever. We'll see what the carnage is.
Alright. Fun. I have that bay open. You can probably put it in that bay. We can probably push it and roll it in there if you want to.
One eternity later.
What a scrub.
Hey now. Oh.
About time getting the XP1K put back together. A lot of it probably was not your fault, but still, what a scrub.
I know. What can you do? Takes forever to get parts, and parts distributor had the wrong part numbers and sent me wrong bearings. Order another set of bearings. And they sent me bad rod bearings. So I had to order another bearing that took another week. So I think I waited about three weeks for bearings.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And then within like 3 or 4 days, I had the thing all the way together. So I kind of got shafted a little bit. But what can you do? It happens.
This better fix all the problems, right? All these billet fancy parts.
Yeah.
It's gonna fix all the problems.
Should. If not, I'm gonna piss. I'm gonna go buy a Arctic Cat.
Arctic Cat.
Hey, it's pretty sweet. I want one, but there's too much money in this thing, and
Well, we're gonna get the header on and then hopefully fire it up here soon. See how she sounds. And then way over here, way over there, we got some more plastics being painted. Man, that's being weird. So we're going all white on the Razor now with a hint of lime squeeze. It's gonna be a frosty with some green mints all over the place. So I had the turbo assembly in the way, so I had 4 Allen bolts and then 2 nuts. I had studs that stuck out on mine.
I'm about to be really mad. Technically, this head's for a general, but it's the same part number, so.
Yeah. I mean,
that's why the tensioner is wrong.
some of the bearings, the crank bearings I got for mine had general labeling on the packaging.
All that matters is the part number.
Yeah.
Really, the only thing different about a 1K between a turbo is that there's more.
You have more stroke.
More stroke. There's more bore. Just gives you more CC. Really the only difference.
Isn't your head a little different?
Partner. Yeah, I think they're a tiny bit different. Just like the valves and everything.
Yeah,
But
probably.
part number wise, I don't know. I didn't really care too much to look, but there's their own little variants in them.
As long as it fires up.
Yeah.
And then once Brock gets this going, he's got particle separator to put on it and all kinds of other goodies. Supposedly it's gonna rip, but we'll see.
Rude.
Moment of truth. How much did we screw up? Or I should say Brock.
Let's check the dipstick real quick. I did lose a tiny bit of oil. It's probably not going to make much difference. But
Yeah, I gotta put a little bit more oil in mine too.
just a little bit.
And by the way, mine's sitting behind my truck, but I blew a belt. So I'm kind of sitting duck right now.
This clot stuff I got from their supplier, OEM compliant, for warranties and everything.
Oh, is it? Clots?
Yep.
The good oil?
Yeah.
Oh.
Clots.
I love how everybody on like the forums are like, oh, AMSOIL is the best stuff to put in these.
Yeah. Screw AMSOIL. I have horrible luck with AMSOIL. AMSOIL on my dirt bike. Burned oil like no other. Put cowie oil in it. Never dropped another drop of oil. Got this thing. Had AMSOIL in it. Burned it. So the day I had it. Put some OEM stuff in it. Stopped for another, I don't know, 2,000 miles, and then obviously.
Now it's engine rebuild because of AMSOIL.
Yeah,
we're blaming AMSOIL on it. Yeah, fresh engine.
Yes, I put 3. It only holds 2.5. So I'm guessing
I put 3 in mine too, and it was still a little low. I mean, it was on the bottom of the dipstick.
turbos take 3. 1Ks take 2.5.
Oh, well, I put 3 in it. It was, I mean, it's on the stick, and it's just on the add mark. I should put some more in mine. The Terpski needs some lubrication. We're gonna call her tits. Well, it takes a while for the oil to get down there.
Not on the dipstick very much.
You might have to crank it. It's probably piled on top of the head right now.
No.
Because it's got to run to the other side of the engine.
Yeah, we'll just start it. It's not enough in there, but.
Fired right up. Out the ponies.
Hopefully. And then get up to operating temp, shut it down, let it cool off, and do the thing.
Probably got to bleed the coolant lines.
I did.
Oh, you did.
The gravity bleed only. You don't have to run it.
You don't?
No. Little screw on the head, you pop it off, pour the coolant in, gravity will push it out of the head. See the pour outlook, cap it, and run it.
go. Yeah, that works.
And then just recheck the radiator, your overflow, and you'll be all bled out.
Uh-oh. Oh, I'm out of gas.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How are you out of gas?
I don't know. I didn't. I had a bar when I parked it.
Sounds empty to me. Oh yeah, she's blinking at you. She's dry.
Yeah. Well, she got up to warrant operating time, so
Yeah.
this will do the first heat cycle on it. And
All
good
right.
deal. First fire up. Played by Polaris, not Can-Am. You seen the way she started? She wanted it.
She did start right up. She likes those billet pistons. Billet everything.
Either that or stage 2 cams. I don't know. She's getting more air, so she didn't like being chipped.
She's not running lean anymore. Well. The scrub actually got something done.
Ouch. That's not very nice.
Well, you know how it goes.
I was waiting on you the whole time. What are you talking about?
Me?
Taking your sweet time painting.
Well, if the weather cooperated and I had a paint booth or something, that'd be great.
Big.
But I think it turned out pretty good for what it is.
Pretty plenty for she is.
We're gonna start calling it the mint chocolate chip razor. We got the green mint, the black/brown chocolate chip, and then the white ice cream. Mint chocolate chip.
Come on, fish.
And finally, got garage space in here for once. Got the troll truck out. Got the old Dirty Max out. For now. I'm getting a particle separator.
Yep, not doing this whole engine rebuild thing again.
If you can afford it, or you're riding a lot of dust, you must get one.
Yep,
It saves your engine.
pretty cheap for what they are.
How much did you pay for that one?
I mean, it was $500, which is not compared to the $4,000 engine I just put in.
Yeah. Filters out practically 99% of the dust out.
Yeah, I think it's like 95% before your actual filter, so
Oh. Yeah?
I mean, it's pretty much gonna get everything out.
Yeah. That'll help. Big time.
No, it's gonna be a must-have going forward on all my units. I'm gonna get one.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the first thing I'm gonna get.
Once I get a machine that I'm actually going to keep for once, I'll get one too. Just the amount of dust we ride in, the amount of engines we've had to rebuild.
Yeah. Michigan trails suck. They're all fine powder.
Yeah.
Fine powder.
Yeah.
It is what it is, though.
Yep. It's just going to go in the back. It's going to take up your rear mirror a little bit. Your viewing, but whatever.
I don't have one.
Oh yeah, you don't have one. I thought you had one.
No, I got the side mirrors. Look just as good.
Yeah. So. Oh yeah, she's coming together real nice.
Ready to rip. Next weekend.
Ready to rip.
First trip of the year.
We're gonna go to Leota/St. Helen area. It's gonna be a great time.
Watch Cole get stuck in a YXZ, hopefully.
Yep.
It's gonna be awesome. And this will be brown, not white.
Yeah. You went with the worst color possible, I think.
Worst color possible?
Yeah. For
White?
showing dirt.
Oh, yeah.
Well, with shiny black, that sucks too. But
Yeah, this will get all chipped up. We're gonna paint it silver next time.
silver. Ugh.
Yeah. Silver birch. So
Crazy.
I wanted to do the first time, but it didn't work out. So white will do for now.
All right.
That classy machinery there. The mint chocolate chip. Ooh, she sounds good.